Oh, by golly, this is Mrs. Klosky, and I thought we were all done with the recipes page, but I just remembered we forgot to link these graphics. When you click for a recipe, it does absolutely nothing. So we need to go back in and we need to add anchors for each of the recipes, and then we need to link to those anchors. So what I'd like you to do is think about a one word or abbreviation for each of the recipes as you add your anchors. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to type anchor. I'm going to pull a menu anchor out, place it right under the line, and I'm just going to say PUTT is the name of my anchor. And it is case sensitive, so it's important to get that. I'm going to update, scroll down, go to my widgets, add another anchor, pull it out. This one's going to be peppers. Update. For the third recipe, I'll do frittata. Grab an anchor. Frittata. Update. And for the last one, anchor. Pull it right in there. And I'll call this one Angel. All right, update. So remember, it's a two-part process. We need to go back up to the images that we are going to actually create the links on. So I'll click on this first one, and I need to click to expand, scroll down a little bit. We're going to come down here on the title link, and we're going to type PUTT. I'm going to update that. I'll click to test it, and it seems to work great. So if you could do that for the other 4 photos, that would be perfect. I'll walk you through one more time in case you forgot. All right, I will scroll up and contract this image. Expand the next one, move down to the link, and this one, the second one, was called peppers. I'll update that and test it, and it seems to work. If you could finish the last 2 on your own, that would be great. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.